The gloves came off in last night's leaders' debate, a fiery clash leaving viewers questioning the credibility of both sides. Prime Minister Anthony Albanese repeatedly challenged Opposition Leader Peter Dutton's trustworthiness, questioning his ability to deliver on promises after a series of policy U-turns and unsubstantiated claims. The debate, a whirlwind of accusations and rebuttals, exposed deep rifts in the nation's political landscape. Albanese launched a scathing attack on the coalition's energy policy, branding it gaslighting the Australian public. His sharp words highlighted the lack of concrete detail in the coalition's plan, painting a picture of misleading rhetoric rather than a substantive approach to the nation's energy needs. This attack formed a central theme throughout the debate, casting doubt on Dutton's ability to lead on crucial national issues. The debate also saw a heated exchange over healthcare. Dutton repeated his claims of superior bulk billing rates under the previous coalition government, a claim swiftly countered by Albanese, who reminded viewers of Dutton's past proposal for a $7 copayment for GP visits, a policy widely criticized as detrimental to healthcare accessibility. This exchange underscored the stark differences in both leaders' visions for Australia's healthcare system and highlighted the potential consequences of each party's approach. Housing affordability emerged as another key battleground. The coalition persistently linked the rise in housing costs to increased migration post-COVID-19, a claim Albanese countered with evidence suggesting the correlation is exaggerated. This disagreement highlights the differing analyses and proposed solutions to one of the nation's most pressing economic challenges. The contrast in their approaches underscores the significant policy divergence between the two major parties. Perhaps the most damaging blows against Dutton came from Albanese's highlighting of the coalition's wavering on key policies. The opposition's retreat from its plans to restrict working from home for public servants, and the lack of a clear roadmap for its proposed 41,000 public servant cull exposed internal inconsistencies and a lack of cohesive policy planning. Albanese capitalized on this, powerfully asserting, "Peter hasn't been able to stand up for his own policies, so I don't know how he can stand up for Australia." This pointed critique left a lingering question mark over Dutton's leadership capabilities and his party's readiness to govern. The debate concluded with a palpable sense of uncertainty. Albanese's consistent questioning of Dutton's integrity and policy consistency left a lasting impression, forcing viewers to consider the implications of choosing a leader whose past actions and pronouncements seemed to lack conviction and coherence. The accusations flew fast and furious, leaving the Australian public to weigh the merits and demerits of each leader's vision for the nation's future. The clash highlighted not only policy disagreements, but also stark contrasts in leadership style and trustworthiness, leaving a lasting impact on the upcoming election. The coming weeks promise to be even more intense as the nation grapples with the implications of this pivotal debate. The question remains, who can the Australian people truly trust?